In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your text as bold, underline, italic and strike through. Watch this video till the end and let's begin. But before we get started, make sure to follow and subscribe to iOS Droids. The very first step is to open the Notes app on your iPhone. Now write your text. Now once you have written your text, just select the text. Now tap on Format. Tap on Bold. This will make your text as bold. Now in the second line, select the text, tap on Format, tap on Italic. Now in the third, tap on Format, tap on Underline. Now select the text here. Now tap on Format, tap on Italic. Now in the last line, select the text, tap on Format, tap on arrow, tap on strike through. So this is how you can make your text appear as bold, underline, italic and strike through. So for more detailed tutorial, click the first link given in the description of the video. So that's it about the video guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.